up here. Thanks again for dropping by.
Lift his other arm, Justin. Lift his other arm.
Cool. There's the wheels.
Have a seat, Just.
Sit down.
There's Barney. Hi, Barney. Oh, cool. Look at that snake. We're going in there, I think. I told you there's a volcano with the pterodon.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Wendy, for telling me. A mastodon I am. Hey, we're going inside. Ah, cool. Cool. I've never been in a volcano before. What do you think it's gonna look like? I think it's gonna look like.
Here we're going through the tunnel. Right into the volcano.
Check it out.
That was cool. Dad, can we go in the lizard?
You guys can do whatever you want. We'll spend an hour or so here, and you can just roam around, do whatever you want, and then we'll go on to the canyon.
In the lizard.
Okay.
Where's the lizard? Oh, there's the lizard. I'm gonna go with it. If no one's gonna come with me, then I'm gonna go alone.
Okay.
We will go.
Are you gonna come with me?
Sure.
Yeah, alright. I'm going with you. Because no one is afraid, Cat. That's just a lizard, a fake lizard.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're here.
It's swallowed me. It's pooping me. Yeah. It's pooping both of us. They pooped me. He pooped me out of his butt. Hey, Dad. Hi.
Mom chickened out, eh?
Yeah. I guess we get up there.
Climbed on the back. Climbed on the back.
I'm gonna climb the eye. This side. Yay! Dad, get your hat.
It's not going anywhere.
Yes, it is.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, strike a pose.
Peter Potter. Oh, God. What should I do? Hairdryer, where? Are you
Let
there?
Justin sticking his head in.
Okay, come over here. There you go, ma'am. Excuse me, Whitney. That will be $50.